to weather now. I'm here with Chief Meteorologist Brad Montgomery. Now, Brad, we're here to talk about some pretty special colors up in the sky.
Yeah.
We saw some of that yesterday.
We did, some photos.
Yeah, right here in El Paso. And now, this is one photo.
Yeah,
beautiful
Emily.
colors, a lot of pink in the sky. Tell us a little bit about that.
So these are the Aurora. We're essentially seeing the top end of those, which I'm going to talk about here in just a second. These can extend some 250 miles up into the sky. So if you're right under the curtains themselves, you get kind of unique photos. But if you're far away, we're looking way to the north. That's why you have to look to the north. You look way to the north, and we're just seeing the top ends of these here in the Borderland. So again, some beautiful coloration, and the top part tends to be the reddish color.
Right. So again, the northern lights, beautiful colors up in the sky. But we saw it here in El Paso, which was kind of a shock. That's rarely happens. But how does this happen? How do they form?
So what happens initially is it's called a CME, or coronal mass ejection. If you've ever seen pictures, kind of close-ups or videos of the sun where you see those arms of plasma kind of moving around, every now and then some of that plasma gets let go by the sun's gravity and shoots out into space. So when one of those shoots out into space, if Earth is not in the path, it doesn't matter. But if Earth is in the path and it shoots out and hits Earth, it really kind of interacts with our atmosphere, and it works on our atmosphere. And as it does so, it basically comes in at the North Pole and the South Pole. And when that happens, you can get these different colors because the oxygen in the atmosphere, the nitrogen in the atmosphere, that gives you the different colors. And so as we bring on the color palette here, there you can see again, as it interacts with molecules in the atmosphere, you get the colors to begin with, and you get the nitrogen and the oxygen to get you the different greens and oranges and blues and the reds, especially the reds. But again, where we see here in the Borderland is the top part. That's going to be the reds. That's what we most likely will see, but occasionally we could see some greens mixing in as well.
Okay, so where exactly can people see them? You know, not only in El Paso, we saw it yesterday, which is rare, but across the country.
So just real quick, you can see on this map here, with the camera, you can see it all the way down into the Borderland. So another shot at potentially seeing them tonight.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds exciting. Hope you guys look to the skies tonight. Thank you so much, Brad.